Hi kids! Welcome to the Kids Knowledge. Today we are going to learn the names of vegetables part 2. Are you excited? Let's get started. This is horseradish. 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 Horseradish is a root vegetable known for its pungent taste, often grated and used as a condiment. It has a strong, spicy flavor and is used in sauces and as a flavoring for meats. This is iceberg lettuce. IcebergLettuce. Iceberg lettuce. Iceberg lettuce has crisp, pale green leaves and a mild flavor. It is commonly used in salads and sandwiches and is low in calories but high in water content. This is jicama. Jicama. Jicama is a root vegetable with a crunchy texture and mildly sweet flavor. It is often eaten raw in salads or as a snack, and is low in calories but high in fiber and vitamin C. This is kale. K-A-L-E, kale. Kale is a leafy green vegetable that's high in nutrients, including vitamins A, C, and K, as well as calcium and antioxidants. It is often used in salads, soups, and smoothies. This is lettuce. L-E-T-T-U-C-E, lettuce. Lettuce is a leafy vegetable available in various types like romaine, butterhead, and red leaf. It is commonly used in salads and sandwiches and is low in calories but high in vitamin. This is mushroom. M-U-S-H-R-O-O-M, mushroom. Mushrooms are fungi with a meaty texture and umami flavor. There are many varieties like button, shiitake, and portobello. Mushrooms are low in calories but high in antioxidants and B vitamins. This is Napa cabbage. N-A-P-A space C-A-B-B-A-G-E, Napa cabbage. Napa cabbage is a type of Chinese cabbage with a mild flavor. It is used in salads, stir-fries, and soups, and is rich in vitamin C and fiber. Thank you for watching. Like, share, and subscribe. See you in the next video.